In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a training calendar to your Circle.so community as we step into 25. Let's dive right in and get started with making sure your community is organized and up to date with all training sessions. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Circle.so admin account. It's a straightforward start, but having your administrative credentials at the ready will allow you to access all the necessary settings for your community. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Circle.so dashboard. Navigate over to the left sidebar and click on Spaces. The spaces in Circle.so are essentially categories or sections where different activities in your community occur. Select the specific space where you want your training calendar to reside. This ensures that your training schedule is housed in the right context and environment for your community members to easily find. With your space selected, look for the Create Post button. Click on this and then choose the Event/Calendar option. This will allow you to create a new event specifically for your training sessions. Now, it's time to enter a name or title for your event or calendar. This should be clear and descriptive so that community members immediately understand what this calendar refers to. Next, set the date and time for your training. You'll need to choose both a start and an end time, which helps in constructing a comprehensive schedule for your community. Circle.so makes it easy to set this up, so take advantage of this feature to keep everyone on the same page. After setting the time, consider whether you want to add any additional descriptions, links, or attachments. This could include things like a PDF schedule, a Zoom link for a virtual meeting, or even a checklist of items the attendees might need to prepare before the training. Including these elements can greatly enhance the effectiveness of your communication. Then scroll down to access the visibility settings. Here you can decide who gets to see the calendar. Options like members only or specific plans allow you to cater the visibility based on membership levels or specific groups within your community. Once you've set this up, don't forget to save your changes. If you have a series of training sessions to add, there's a neat feature for that too. Simply repeat the Create Post process. Go to Create Post and select Event, fill in the details, and publish. It's that simple and can save you a lot of time. To view the calendar you've created, head back to your chosen space. Click on Space, and you'll see an Upcoming Events or Calendar tab. Once there, your members will have a full view of the training schedule you've carefully crafted for them.